A little more than a year ago, two of my students got married and they invited me, but I could not go. So today I'm going to visit them in Barama in Assam. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome to Bodo and sir.
Thank you very much, sir. This is your...
सब्जी भी लेके
वो तो घर में आया इसीलिए लाया. This because I just came to your home, but this is for your wedding.
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Along with interest, this is interest.
Okay, sir.
For coming very late.
Compound interest, sir.
For coming late.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Oh, smells very nice. खुशबू बहुत अच्छा है चाय का.
Sweets.
इसमें तो पेट भर जाता है इतना खाने से तो. आंटी ने क्या?
हाँ, मम्मी का सिस्टर है.
हाँ. नमस्ते.
आया मैंने. So, Jenny, what have you prepared?
सर हम लोग खा चुके हैं हम थोड़ा हम इसे बैठेंगे आपके साथ
Fish fry. Pork. This is. Oh, you have two types of pork.
यस
Pork with bamboo shoot.
Bamboo shoot, and this is.
Just dry.
Oh, okay. Okay.
एंड दिस इज चिकन
Aya. Yeah. Let me taste the pork fry.
I don't know what a taste, sir. I made it very hard.
alone in a room plus job for almost 12 to 14 hours because even the company knows that we are
Very soft.
working from home
You
and
see,
then they start
not
to-
dry. So,
and to see we can't see anyone.
Very nice.
And
Jenny?
face makes us crazy.
10 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Actually, we are going to our press now, offset press, offset and printing press.
The press. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, so this is your office.
Yeah,
Yes.
kind of
Very nice.
time actually.
Kamaruna home dulu.
Press lगा ना. पतली मार्केट यहाँ पे हो सकता है. यहाँ से लेके लेफ्ट साइड.
Right side में.
Right side में. हाँ.
Nice. Yeah, but what are you making?
With duck, no?
With the of this, I heard this. Duck with ash gourd.
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Not expert in cutting.
So this will go to his videos.
Duck. Duck meat. It was good.
This time we brought that little bit of duck meat and she cooked it. Which one is it? This one. Okay, nice. This is the duck meat she prepared with ash gourd. I've heard about this thing. All my Assamese friends, nah? And duck meat with ash gourd. So today we are getting to eat it. Thanks to these two people. Yeah. So this is the. I thought we only bought this much, but it became so much now. This isn't hard how to make it. Yeah. So you see the ash gourd and the meat. How many times have you had? I'll have this first. How many times have you had duck meat in Northeast? I mean,
What meat? Duck meat?
yeah.
I think twice.
Yeah, starting, huh?
Okay, sir.
I've had duck meat. This is the first time I'm having it with ash gourd.
Okay.
Food का अपना रेट है चिकन
Spicy. Nice. I love the chili. Just the meat. Nice again. How was it, Arjun? Just try it first.
masa sila porong ko
Ansuma,
Hello, sir.
how's your wife's cooking?
मजा लग रहा है सर ऐसे वैसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Yeah, he has not gotten married, no, yet. Daniel.
Daniel no.
So he, yeah.
I think one more year.
rice Arjun
How is it, Arjun?
Oh, duck meat is damn good. And I love the most.
Pork fry, no? This is pork fry. Even in the morning, I enjoyed that one. I can see your plate is all empty now. Yeah, you should be given more rice.
No, I have seen that even in Delhi, there is one gully near Kotla, right? So they had this display everywhere.
Because of Manipuri people.
Yeah.
Here we are. It's late now. We're going to sleep. This is Ansuma's house, and he's been very kind enough. He and his whole family very kind enough to let us stay in their house because we could not return back, and he has planned something for tomorrow. So we'll wake up early tomorrow and. In my next video, we are going to visit the Barama weekly market. We'll buy some interesting ingredients and make some interesting Bodo food. So check out for my next video.